Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Saga and today we will be seeing what is Variadic function in Go language and how do we write a code of Variadic function in Go language. So let's begin with the definition of it. So it can be called with any number of trailing arguments. For example, fmt.println is a common Variadic function. So what does it mean? Let's understand it first. So whenever we create a function, let's say I am creating a function which adds two values, right? So I write func and I write here function name and here I pass the arguments. Let's say we have two arguments a and b which is of int type. So I write something like that and here I do my calculation. So I write fmt dot println something like that I write na a plus b, correct? But what is happening here, if we pass three arguments, now when we pass three arguments here, my function will fail. It says it says number of arguments are mismatched. Okay, how to overcome this problem? So we have a variadic function in Go language. So what is the syntax of it? Let's see it. For that, what I do, I create a function. So I write func keyword and then the function name, and here I write a variable name. So here we pass only one variable name, not so many variable names like A, B, C, D, like that. We don't need to pass like that. We pass only one variable and then space and we use three dots, right? And here what I do, I write the integer, I write the type. I write the type of the data. So it is an integer type. And here I do my calculation, whatever I want to do. If I want to print these values, I can, write a or something like that. We can do it. So now let's do the coding. Okay. So first of all, first thing I'll create a function. So I write func and here I write add and here I write num, let's say, and then I use three dots and here I write integer, correct? Open the braces and here I do my actions. So let's say I write fmt dot println and here I pass num, and in the main function I am going to call this math this function, right? Add. So I write add and here I pass 1 in the first line. Copy it. Let's run it first. So we are getting 1. Okay, it is coming as an array. Okay, I copy it and when I pass here 1 comma 2, in the third line I pass something like 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 5, right? Now run it. So we are getting this number 1 1 2 1 2 4 5, right? So but my program says addition of the numbers which will we pass, right? So how to do it? Let's see it. So okay, I create one variable sum colon is equal to 0, and here what I do, write sum1. Okay, and here I start my loop. So for that, what we need to do, we need to write for let's say I write here I initialize with 0 comma semicolon, and then I write something like that I is less than or equal to what, that len of num, and then I plus plus, correct? Yes. and I open brace. Here I should, okay, this is good. Now here what I do, I write someone is equal to someone plus num of I, correct? And here we can print someone. So I write fmt dot print ln, and I can, I can pass this variable here, someone. Let's run it. Okay, home. I am getting some error here. Okay, let's check it. Why it is failing? So why it is failing here? Let's see the error. So error says runtime error, index out of range 1 with length 1. Okay, let's check the code. Okay, so what is happening here? I have used this equal to. Okay, I should not use here equal to. Now run it. Let's see here. In the first function, I pass 1, so the sum is 1, and then I pass 1, 2, so here I am getting 3 as a sum, and at the third, I am getting 12. So how it is getting 12? So the sum of these value is 12. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So this is nothing but Variadic function. I hope you guys have liked the video. If you do, do subscribe and share.